Hey guys, welcome back to Severe Statements, and today we're going to be going over an enhanced risk for the far north-central areas of Illinois to the far eastern areas of Iowa. There's another slight blob over here that cuts through north-central North Dakota and east-central North Dakota and central and south-central South Dakota. And then the slight blob also includes the north-central areas of Nebraska. Then we also have this other slight blob down here in far south or west-central Texas. The slight blob will include the areas of west central Texas again, and far branching the far extreme southwest areas of Oklahoma. Then we have the margin risk around the other areas. So today we'll be going most over this enhanced risk. That tornado risk are the main threat today for this area. So we'll be going over that today. So the tornado risk, you can see, is the highest. We have the 10% blob right over there, where the enhanced risk is. The highest risk tornadoes that's over here is cold air field, non-supercell thunderstorm funnels and tornadoes. So non-supercell tornadoes are not very dangerous. They don't last for very long, but they do come in the plenty. So if you live in this 10% area, just be extremely aware of cold air funnel tornadoes this afternoon and evening. I'll show you more of that on the radar and how they'll form with the low pressure system a bit later. So anyways, in the other slight risk area, in the north central, west central areas of the Dakotas, just 2% there, not very high, but do not count tornadoes out. Same same with the slight risk down here. As you can see, the wind risk over here is very low because these will be non-supercell tornadoes, so they won't have the high winds or big hail risk. But over in the slight blobs, we do see that 50% chance risk, to be extremely aware of large hail if you live in that area, and we also see the branch down with 50% down here in the west central areas of Texas. The hail risk is pretty high. They kind of cranked it up for the areas over here because you will have a couple thunderstorms, not supercell though, so you can't expect large hail with these. We do have that significant area right there in the north central, or in this west central areas of North Dakota and Nebraska, or South Dakota and Nebraska, and then we have the branch up to 15% over there as well. Then we do have the significant around the areas of west central Texas and the 15% chance blob there as well. So we do have a low pressure system sitting over Iowa currently right now. I'll pull it up on radar for you to see. It's pretty impressive looking, honestly. I mean, when you see them, they kind of look like hurricanes on land, but they aren't. So that's kind of what they form off of. So we have low pressure systems sitting right here over central Iowa. We'll have the arms branching out. So we already have thunderstorms forming. These thunderstorms will be what will be causing these slight tornadoes, not supercell tornadoes this afternoon and evening. So you can see the low pressure system right there. We're already having some thunderstorms branch off. They will get larger though and produce down in northern Iowa and move northwestward over time, producing non-supercell tornadoes, some strong winds, and possibly some large hail as well. So that again, the main area that will affect from the low pressure system will be this area of enhanced risk over here in the northern Iowa, or northern Illinois to east central Iowa areas. So again, the low pressure system will cause the non-supercell tornadoes and possibly some large hail as well. Surrounding areas will be affected by rain and possibly another thunderstorm or so, but we won't see severe non-supercell tornadoes going further than south central Iowa area. So again, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Again, take extreme aware of tornadoes if you live in that enhanced risk area. Again, they won't be very long-lived and they won't be very strong, but they can come in numerous amounts. So again, just be extremely aware if you live in that slight or enhanced risk areas. Take most precautions if you do live in that enhanced risk area, but do not count severe weather out if you live in that slight risk area as well. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.